Hello, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today we will practice some tense exercises. Tense is also there in your test, tomorrow's Sunday test. You know the portion?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Tense and prepositions and the poem ball. Yesterday I sent the explanation on WhatsApp group. पढ़ा था तुम लोगों ने? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Helpful था?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It was helpful. तो ठीक है, सारे poems का भेज देंगे एक एक करके. You can take print out and keep it quickly so that you can study during exam time. Do you want this explanation of all the poems like that? Hello? कोई reply नहीं. Okay, now here are 4 options are given and you have to choose the right one. I dash for his reply since last week. What is the correct option? Huh?
C.
Had been.
No, C is not the correct answer.
A.
No,
A.
no, A is
Ma'am,
not
B.
the correct answer.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
B.
Yes, B is the correct answer. I have been waiting. I have been waiting. Then this time tomorrow. Tomorrow कौन सा tense हो गया?
Ma'am, future tense.
Future tense.
Do you use?
Ma'am, B, ma'am, will be playing. Ma'am, B, ma'am.
Yes,
B,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, B, will be playing, ma'am.
Will be playing. Tomorrow, this time tomorrow, I will be playing. I dash. Now this is
A.
Ma'am, A, read.
yes.
Ma'am, read. Ma'am, read.
जो काम हम रोज करते हैं उसके लिए कौन सा टेंस यूज करते हैं? सिंपल प्रेजेंट, हैबिचुअल एक्शन. जो काम हर रोज करते हैं उसके
पढ़ेगा
when I
क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा.
she when I visited her, past tense है, देखो ये.
Ma'am, A. Ma'am, A, ma'am. Ma'am, A had been.
Yes,
Ma'am, A, ma'am, had been.
Ronak and Ayush, correct answers. Ronak and Ayush, both your answers. Had been. I
Graduated, ma'am.
had. C, ma'am.
Ma'am, A, ma'am.
A.
simply graduated.
Yes, ma'am.
Present, past, sorry. Then there dash a famine in Bengal in 1982. Famine means, you know, famine.
Yes, ma'am. There was a famine in Bengal.
A.
And there was a
T.
Ma'am, B, B.
D.
Ma'am, A, ma'am.
T.
A. Famine is singular. Famine is singular. During Akbar's reign, the Mughals.
Ma'am, C.
had become
Had become.
B.
Ma'am, had become ma'am, B. Ma'am, C.
बन हो गए थे अकबर के रेन के समय, वो सबसे सुप्रीम हो गए थे. Had become. Janet
Ma'am, went, ma'am, A.
has gone.
Ma'am, went, ma'am.
Yeah, the time is not given. Time नहीं, time जब नहीं दिया रहता तब आप प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट भी यूज कर सकते हो, और टाइम जब नहीं दिया है तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट भी यूज कर सकते हो. और तो क्या तो, Janet has gone home, went home. Both is correct. Both you can use. Janet has gone home. ठीक है. Then here. Present. ये सब present ही है इसको. All are present. Then you see the use of some common prepositions. Preposition of time. Preposition of time में कौन कौन सा आता है? At. At is used with clock times, जैसे at 9 o'clock. Periods of the year. Example देख लो क्या कहाँ use होता है. Time के पहले the train left at 8 o'clock. कोई भी festival के पहले at Dashara, at Christmas we used to go. Then at the weekend she married at the age of 20. Which are the places where you use at? Before time at 8 o'clock, before any festival. Then at the weekend, time periods. Then at the age of 20, I called on my friend at night. Night के पहले at use होता है. You have to remember. Before we rested at noon, at dawn, at dusk. So these are the places where you use at. Time. Then in. In कहाँ use होता है? Year के पहले. In 1990, in summer months, ये summer, winter, ये सब के पहले in use होता है. Then in the evening, see the difference. Night है तो at, ये याद रखना है. This is important. Night दोनों time ही है. Night है तो at और evening है तो in. In the evening, at night. The theft took place in the daytime. In October, month के पहले in और year के पहले in, time के पहले at. So it all happened in 3 minutes, in 3 hours. ये in जो है वो hours के पहले, day के पहले, in 2 hours, in 4 days, in 3 years. So before these hours, days, years, you use in. So before morning, evening, you'll use in, and before night, you use at. So example, on is used. On कहाँ use होता है? On is used with dates, birthdays, anniversaries. Movie on. Weekdays के पहले on, फिर on October. ये जहाँ date भी दिया हुआ है और month भी दिया हुआ है, वहाँ जो है on. यहाँ देखो सिर्फ यहाँ month दिया हुआ है, in October. यहाँ जो है on, यहाँ why you are using on before October? Why? Because the date is also given. So this difference you have to understand. Is it clear to all of you? Here only month is given. So you are using in October, in September, but here date is also given. So then you'll use, when date and month both are given, then you'll use on. Date is given, then on. Then congratulated him on his birthday. ये भी बहुत confusing है. On his birthday. कभी कभी for his birthday भी दिमाग में आ जाता है. We gave them a gift on their 20th marriage. So we use on with morning, afternoon, evening when they are modified. तो हमने पढ़ा ना कि मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग, आफ्टरनून के पहले इन यूज होता है. हाँ, लेकिन ऑन भी यूज होता है. मॉडिफाइड मतलब क्या? उसमें अगर एक एडजेक्टिव जुट गया. मॉडिफाइड मीन्स व्हाट? विथ एन एडजेक्टिव. अगर उसमें एडजेक्टिव आ गया तो फिर वो ऑन हो जाता है। जैसे ऑन अ हॉट आफ्टरनून, ये हॉट लग गया तो ऑन हो जाएगा। ऑन अ नाइट लाइक दिस, नाइट के पहले एट यूज करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ मॉडिफाइड हो गया नाइट के साथ लाइक दिस। ऑन अ प्लेजेंट मॉर्निंग। सो यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर कि अगर ये आफ्टरनून, मॉर्निंग, ये सब के साथ कोई एडजेक्टिव जुड़ा हुआ है तब जो है वो ऑन यूज होता है, नहीं तो इन द मॉर्निंग, आई वॉज प्लेइंग इन द मॉर्निंग, आई वॉज प्लेइंग इन द इवनिंग, बट on the hot afternoon, on the hot evening. So during means periods of the day. During may be used instead of in with periods of the day, months, seasons, years. During मतलब क्या, इसके दौरान, during the war मतलब war के दौरान, the work during the day and sleep during the night. So you know the use of during means the whole duration. During means the whole duration of time. During the war, you see the use of during. During the war, many people were killed. When we work during the day, we try to contact people during October. Means, what does it mean? Throughout. Mute yourselves, all of you. Mute yourselves. So you understand the meaning of during. During means for the whole period. During October मतलब पूरे अक्टूबर we tried to contact people. अक्टूबर के दौरान. During 90s मतलब 90s के दौरान. She used to ring up many times during the पूरे वीक के दौरान जो है उसने बहुत बार मुझे रिंग किया. Then by is used to indicate the latest time. मतलब इस समय तक ये एक्शन हो जाना चाहिए. Finish your homework by 5 o'clock. By 5 o'clock मतलब क्या कि 5 बजे तक तुमको अपना होमवर्क फिनिश कर लेना चाहिए. By means what? Latest time at which an action will be finished. So he will finish this work by 5 o'clock. What does it mean? मतलब 5 बजे तक वो काम खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. लेटेस्ट टाइम, बाय दैट टाइम द मून वाज अप. यू मस्ट कम टू मी बाय 8 AM मतलब क्या 8 बजे तक आ जाना है. एप्लीकेशन मस्ट बी रिसीव्ड बाय 10 means what? This is the latest time. इस समय तक आ जाना चाहिए. So by means the latest time. By का और भी यूज है. We took rest by day, travel by night. So by mid-afternoon. So you understand? Then for. For is used with periods of time to indicate how long an action lasts. For का meaning क्या हुआ? कितने देर तक एक काम हुआ. So for what is the meaning? कि एक काम कितने देर तक हुआ. How long an action lasts. That is the meaning of for. So these are some of the common prepositions. फिर मिस्टेक्स देखो, कभी कभी हम बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग कुछ चीज होता है. तो यहाँ जो कॉमन मिस्टेक्स, आई कैन नॉट अग्री टू यू, ये गलत है. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट थिंग? तो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट थिंग? एग्री विथ यू. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ विथ पर्सन अगर है तो विथ होगा. यहाँ पर्सन है ना, विथ यू. तो विथ पर्सन you use with. फिर यहाँ agree to क्यों यूज हुआ है? It's not person. Agree to my demand, not person. तो agree with भी होता है और agree to भी होता है. Agree with कब होता है? जब कोई person रहता है. जैसे I don't agree with you. Hmm? Rohit didn't agree with Rahul. Uh, then Rohit didn't agree to my proposal. So you understand the difference? You agree with a person, you agree to a thing. Agree with and agree to. Agree with a person, agree to a thing. These are some of the common mistakes. She is waiting the arrival. तो यहाँ for हमारा लगाना जरूरी है. For नहीं लगाएंगे तो सेंटेंस गलत हो जाएगा. Please wait inside the white line. बोलचाल की भाषा में कभी बोल देते हैं ना कि इंग्लिश हिंदी वाले ट्रांसलेशन से कि व्हाइट लाइन के अंदर रहो, बट इट इज रॉन्ग. इन इंग्लिश you have to say behind the white line. Then I have been waiting from 3 hours. Commonly in speaking language, sometimes you say I've been waiting from 3 hours, but that is wrong. In grammar you have to use for. I have been waiting for 3 hours. We reached the airport. कभी कभी बीच में at लगा देते हैं. We reached at the airport. That is wrong. You have to write we reached the airport. Here you don't need any preposition. The flight will depart at. ये तो बताए ही थे कि time के पहले at use होता है. This one you see, it's important. We often say we were just on time, so it's wrong. In time. I reached school in time. Commonly in spoken language you casually say I reached the school on time, but it is wrong. We reached the school. I reached the school in time. समय पर पहुंचे तो in time. Or we should see here, but we should pay our bills on time. So you see the difference. Reach the school in time, but we should pay our bills on time. अगर बिल पे करने की बात है तो वो टाइम के साथ on लग जाएगा. So these things are confusing. English is a very peculiar language. There are no explanations for certain things. It is used like that. In time, but with bills on time. Then I bought a bag with. ये गलत है. With नहीं use होता. I bought a bag for. I purchased the book for 50 rupees. With. These are some of the things, confusing things. These are. On time means at a particular designated time, neither early nor late. And in time means before. In time मतलब time के पहले. Do you understand the difference between in time and on time? In मतलब पहले. In means before time. In means what? In means before time. मतलब समय से पहले. Here. In time. In this, in time means before time. And on means exactly. Not before, not early. Then ये भी देखो कम mistakes. Who is on in phone? ये गलत है. सही क्या है? Who is on the phone? I meet the board members in the office. बोलचाल की भाषा में in the office बोल देते हैं. But I meet the board members at the office. This is also very confusing. This is the tallest building of the world. This is wrong. In the world. Sometimes commonly we used that Taj Mahal is the most beautiful building of the world. Taj Mahal is the most beautiful building in the world. This is very confusing. Normally you use of only, but what is the grammatically correct use of the in the world? This is the best airport in the world. Hmm? I often go to school in bus, by bus. You go by bus, by car. लेकिन जब फूट आ जाता है तो कौन सा preposition यूज होता है? On. व्हीकल रहता है तो बाय, लेकिन जब पैर फुट आता है तो ऑन. आई दे गो टू द बस स्टेशन ऑन फुट. सो ऑन फुट, बाय बस, बाय कार. आई कैन सी मेनी फ्लावर्स इन द पिक्चर. ये तो कॉमन है ये. हैव यू एवर बीन टू सिंगापुर? हैव यू एवर बीन टू सिंगापुर? हैव यू एवर बीन टू सिंगापुर? ये तो कॉमन है ये. तो सनराइजेस इन द ईस्ट, ये तो बहुत. कीप टू द लेफ्ट. कीप द लेफ्ट. इट इज, यहाँ भी एक मिस्टेक है, लेफ्ट है. कीप टू द लेफ्ट. सोफिया इन्वेस्ट हर मनी ऑन द स्टॉक मार्केट. इन द स्टॉक मार्केट इज करेक्ट. ये सब कॉमन मिस्टेक्स हैं जो हम लोग करते हैं, तो याद रखना है इसको कि in the world, not of the world. He is a student of the Oxford University. बोलते हैं ना, speaking language, you say he is the student of Patna University. He is the student at the Patna University. See, this is often a common mistake. I saw the news in the newspaper. ये तो open the book 45 of your books. Open the books. Open your books to page 45. Look at this one. This is important. Open your books to page 45. ये बहुत common mistake है. Open the books 45 of your books. Very common mistake. But open your books to page 45. Note this. my mistake.
For my
अपने
mistake.
गलती के लिए.
Oh.
Then you.
Ma'am, Danny. Ma'am,
From
then
me.
Danny.
Then
Ma'am, Danny.
no.
Ma'am, his senior